I am going to show you a platform that gets you paid just for sharing YouTube videos. Now, this video today is going to be very simplified and broken down to the layman understanding on how you can make money simply by sharing YouTube videos, and it can just take you at least 3 minutes to 5 minutes of your time, and you make this money consistently. So as you can see on this platform, they have a 9,493,412 total clicks. They have 6,046,994 total links, and it's 747,543 registered users. That's to show you the amount of people that have used this platform, and that is to show you how legit this platform is. Now, this platform is very easy. As you can see here, if you scroll up, you see how it works is that you create an account, you shorten your link, you earn money. And why do you want to join them? You join them because you want to earn extra money. So the name of this platform, as I will just talk about it in a short while, and I will take you through on how you can sign up on this platform and how you can start making money. My name is Basi Ejupajon, a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I'll talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a platform that gets you paid just for sharing YouTube videos. Now, you don't have to own the videos that you're posting on YouTube. You don't have to be the owner of the YouTube video. All what you just have to do is follow my lead and watch this video to the end. Now, the name of this platform I'll be showing to you today is known as OK.io. OKE.io. Now, OK.io is a URL link shortener that helps to shorten links and help you make money whenever someone clicks on your link. And it says getting up to $27 to $10,000 $27 per 10,000 views on this platform. Now, how it works is that you create an account, you shorten your link, you earn money. And why do you have to join them? The primary purpose of you joining this platform is because of side hustle. And it says here that OK.io is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So you can now make money from home when managing and protecting your links. It's how and how much do I earn? How can you start making money with OK.io? It is just 3 steps. You have to create an account, you create a link and post it. For every visit, you earn money, and it is just that easy. Now, one thing again about this platform is that you have a 20% referral bonus. Is that it's a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more with your link shorteners. Refer friend and receive 20% of their earnings for lifetime. And they also have an administration panel. You have a detailed statistics to show you how much you have been able to earn, and they have a very minimum payout, which is just $5. You can earn your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, or Payza. They have the highest rate, and they have an API that helps to shorten your link and give you an advanced ideas. Now, they also, again, don't forget, they have a very good support system where in case you need any inquiries, you can go to your support system and ask. Now, how can you get started on this platform? Now, the first thing you have to do to start any money on this platform, since it's just basically to share YouTube videos, is that you have to go on to YouTube. So now this is YouTube. Now you have to look for a niche that actually has a lot of people wanting to participate in it. You understand? Because if you have a low niche or a video with a low views, let's assume you have a video with 100 views, that may probably assume a lot of people are not interested in it. So you must choose a video that have a universal acceptance, and we are going to check one of them currently. And let's go to the fitness niche. You know, fitness, a lot of people actually are in the fitness niche. So we'll say okay, fitness. So this is fitness. Or let's do something like this: how to burn belly fat. You know, a lot of people have been asking questions like that: how to burn belly fat. So you send and you search. So a lot of videos are going to pop out now, and this is where it becomes very critical and interesting. So you can see how to actually lose belly fat. You can see this video with a 7.1 million views. So you can also see this one with 8.2 million views 4 years ago, 1.4 million views 8 months. You check videos that have a lot of views. As you can see here, we check videos that have views. So you just have to continue checking check. So as you can see, this one has 557,000 views. So we're going to check. Let's check the one that at least. Okay, now what? Okay, let's choose this one. Now this one has 13 million views. For now, this is the highest. So what you just have to do is that you have to click on this link. You have to click here, and you see this share. What you just have to do is click on the share, and you allow it to load. Now this is where it wants you to share it to. Now all what you just have to do is to click on the copy link. Now you copy the link. Now what you have to do is that you have to go back. You have to go back to our link shortener, which is the ok.io. Now probably for you, now what you will have just done is for you to just put in your link here, and it will help you shorten it. But that is not what you are supposed to do. What you are supposed to do is you have to come here and click on sign up. You have to click on sign up, and you allow it to load and open. Okay, it says register a new membership. So what you just have to do now is to give in your username. So I'm going to give him my username as Ejogba. Let's add that. So giving your username as Ejogba, and click on email. So you have to give in your email. I'm going to choose one of my favorite email. So this is my email. So you have to your password. You have to put in your unique password. So giving your password. So you re-enter your password for confirmation purpose. So you have to re-enter your password. So that is just how it goes. This is for the primary purpose of signing up on this platform. And you click on I am not a robot for the captcha test. So you allow it to load. So that is just basically what you are supposed to do for you to be able to sign up on this platform. I don't actually know what is going on, because this is always frustrating. This is the second time I'm making a video and I'm not able to bypass this I am not a robot. I don't know whether it's from my network, from my Airtel network. I don't actually know where it's coming from. But now, after you click on this I'm not a robot and it gets to work for you, what you have to do is click on this submit, and your registration will be done, and you will be accepted into the platform. That means you have completed your sign up. Now the next thing you have to do, like after you have copied that link, the link that you copied, what you have to do now is that you have to go back on that link that you have copied. You will see a platform, you will see shorten your URL in just something like this. For example, let me show you. You click on here, for example. That means after you have signed up, or please, let's after you have signed up, click here, and what you just have to do is you click on the arrow. You click on the arrow, and what the arrow will do, sorry, as you can see, it says invalid user. This is because I was unable to sign up on the platform. My network is actually bad. What is going to happen is that it's going to shorten that URL, that link, that YouTube video link that we copied. It's going to shorten it. And what you have to do is that for every person that click on that shortened link, because you have to copy that link after it has been shortened, you have to copy it and you start sharing it. Now I'm going to show you an easy way where you don't even have to start spamming people for your URL link, or for your URL, sorry, for your link, for your shortened link to be clicked by people. What you just have to do is to go to create a new tab and dial in keywords like find a forum. That's the name of the keyword. Find a forum. Find a forum. And allow it to load. So as you can see here, this is find a forum. So it's a forum that you can see a lot of discussions where it will be beneficial. Now what you have to do is that since burning belly fat is actually in the health niche, when you come to this forum, you have to search for the health forums, the health forum where there will be a lot of healthy discussions. So as you can see here, this is find a forum, and what you just have to do is that you scroll here. What you have to do is to scroll and click here where you'll be able to find a forum, explore forums. So what you just have to do is you click on explore forums and you check for the forum that will actually fit in to what you search for. So let's cancel this. So let's search for a forum. We say health niche, health, and you allow it to load. So now what is going to happen is that this is going to open and give you the health niche, which is related to burning of belly fat. And from this forum now, you can probably write a little article on how to burn belly fat, and in there you include that shortened URL link that was given to you. So as can, okay, this is health, so you have to just search for it, and you include that shortened URL link that was given to you from that URL platform, that is ok.io, and you write a little article, you paste that link, and anybody that click on that link after reading your article, the person will be taken to YouTube, while you will get paid at ok.io. So that is just how you can go about it in order to get paid when you are sharing YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button. Support me so that I can grow, and so that you can also get updates when I will drop helpful videos like this. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.